about the characteristics of phylum Echinodermata. These organisms are spiny bodied organisms, or body of these organisms consisting of spine-like structure. Where these organisms are present, the species of echinoderms are exclusively marine organisms. Means all species of echinodermata, they are present in the marine habitat, and all oceans have this species, or species of echinoderms are present in all oceans. If we talk about the symmetry of these organisms, the adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means body of the organisms can be divided into two equal halves in any plane passing through the center. So adult organism shows radial symmetry, or they are radially symmetrical animals, whereas the larval forms are bilaterally symmetrical, or larval forms of echinoderm shows bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means body of the organisms can be divided into left and right half in a single plane passing through the center. So adult organism shows radial symmetry and the larval form shows a bilateral symmetry, which is very important. These organisms are triploblastic animals. Here tri means three. So body of these organisms made up of three germ layer, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. That's why they are triploblastic animal. They are coelomates. Coelom means body cavity. So these organisms have body cavity or true coelom. That's why they are coelomate organisms. They have organ system level of organization. Means many organs work together as a single system to perform particular functions like digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, etc. So there is a clear-cut division of work or labor among these different organ system. That's why they shows organ system level of organization. If you observe the body of this organism, the body is unsegmented. So the body does not consisting of any segment. Both external as well as internal segmentation is totally absent in the case of echinoderms. The body of this organism is usually spherical, cylindrical or star-shaped. If it is star-shaped, they consisting of 5 or more separate lateral extension called as arms. So shape of the body is spherical, cylindrical or star-shaped. The body of this organism lack head, or distinct head is absent in these organisms, and the body of this organism is covered by very thin layer of skin. So thin layer of skin covers the body of this organism and it covers the endoskeleton. So presence of endoskeleton is one of the important character of phylum Echinoderms, and this endoskeleton is covered by a thin layer of skin. If we talk about the endoskeleton made up of several interlocking calcareous unit called as ossicle. So endoskeleton made up of ossicle and several ossicle made up of calcium carbonate, which will interlock with each other to form a full endoskeleton. So endoskeleton is covered by skin, thin layer of skin. This ossicle, which makes up the endoskeleton consisting of numerous spine-like structure or tubercles, depends on the species. That's why they are called as spiny-bodied organism. So that is about the endoskeleton, which is a unique character of phylum Echinoderms. Apart from that, they have one more unique or important character, that is water vascular system. So system of tube is present within the body of this organism, and that is called as water vascular system. This water vascular system in most of the species consisting of bulged structure or bulb-like appendages called as tube feet. So this water vascular system along with the tube feet performs many functions like holding the food, respiration, locomotion, etc. So presence of water vascular system along with the tube feet is also one of the important character of phylum Echinodermata. If we talk about the different organ system in the case of phylum Echinoderms, first one is digestive system. So digestive system in the case of echinoderm is complete. Complete means it has both mouth and anus. And the mouth is present on the lower side or the ventral side, and anus is present on the dorsal side or the upper side. So that is about the digestive system. If we talk about the respiratory system, respiration is done with the help of organ called as tube feet or skin gills. Excretory system is absent in this organism, and if we talk about the reproduction, they are dioecious, means sexes are separate, and they reproduce only by sexual method, that is release of gamete and fusion of gamete. Fusion of gamete or fertilization is external, means eggs and sperms are released into the water medium, and fusion of these eggs and sperms or fertilization takes place in the water medium. That's why fertilization is external. Development is indirect, means including the larval stage. So eggs develops into free swimming ciliated larva. So that is about the reproduction. If we talk about the examples of phylum Echinoderms, important examples are Asterias, which is commonly called as starfish, Echinus, which is commonly called as sea urchin, Cucumeria, which is commonly called as sea cucumber, Ophiura, which is commonly called as brittle star, Antedon, which is commonly called as sea lily. So that is all about the characteristics and important examples of phylum Echinodermata. I hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.